So this is the Condo-person air tool setup I made here. Most of this is from Princess Auto, the M-style fittings on this spritzer. Manifold here. And then this is 1/4 inch NPT. And a Schrader valve to NPT converter that goes into this gizmo from Costco. So we're going to demonstrate on this leaf here. Turn this onto 5 psi. That's 5.8, not 58. And so there's now 5 psi in the line here. And that's it. So, and this now shows 0. So this thing actually functions like a regulator and a pressure gauge, which is cool. Let's put in 16 psi here. Slightly more jam. And then let's try 30 psi. Look at that, eh? And let's see what else. Let's try 45 psi. Oh, I think it moved. Let's try 70 psi. Oh, look at that, eh? Whew. 70 psi is where it's at for one quick spritz.